Hello again, everybody. This is John from Audio Depot, and we have a new item up for sale. It's called the Z-Flash module. And what this is, it allows you to turn on all the lights in your vehicle, like your headlights, turn signals, and parking lights, to draw attention to the vehicle in the event that you are stuck on the side of the road. These modules are easy to install. There's no wires that are going to be cut, no permanent alterations to the vehicle, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. It's easy operation, very, very simple to do. You have a button that turns it on and off, and then you have another button, a red one, that you push to change the pattern. And it has several different patterns, so you can have like strobe effects or just white lights that come on and then orange ones come on in different patterns. And what it does is it allows you to park safely either in a work zone or if you're stranded on the side of the road and not get hit by somebody driving by. They will see you from a long distance away, and then they'll know, I got to stay away from you. This flash module is available now here at Audio Depot. It retails for $329. We had it on sale for $299. We have a Labor Day sale coming up, so give us a call at 817-466-2441, or you can find us online at Shop Audio Depot. And then whenever you need to, we just need you to make an appointment, and then you'll be able to get it within one day. Okay? Have a safe Labor Day weekend.